Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing is sponsored. No, it's not sponsored, but Chris over at the Watch Lounge has lent in a couple of watches, so I know exactly what these are, and you will also because you would have read the title. So let's open these up here. Let's open the box. I'm really excited about one of these watches because I haven't reviewed, um, I haven't reviewed it before in the channel. So, um, and it's one of my favorite watch brands of all time. So very, very excited. Chris has packed this very, very well. You know, the last couple days, I've had this box here that Chris had sent me from the Watch Lounge, and I haven't had a chance to open it. And he's been asking me, like every so often, dude, have you opened up the box yet? Have you opened up the box yet? And now I know why. That literally took me about 5 minutes to unpack, man. Well, let's get at it. The first one is the legendary Sinn 104. This is one of Chris's favorite watches, and he has told me, he said, once you get this in your possession, you're going to want one. Wow. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Wow. I think he might be right, man. I mean, that is just great. I cut myself, by the way, unpacking, Chris, your watches. So don't worry, I'm not going to get any blood on your watch. Okay, let's put that on. The NATO. I wonder if he has the original strap for this. Anyway. Wow, that's pretty cool. I like that. Hmm. Hmm. Very, very interesting. Okay, and he also sent me a G-Shock. I forget which one this is. And he's got it taped. He's got it taped. So let's open up the tape here. Oh yeah. This is the steel, the metal G-Shock, the stainless steel looking one. Yes. Okay. Awesome. Well, thanks, buddy. And I look forward to definitely reviewing these two. So we have the Sinn and we have the stainless steel. I don't know if it's stainless steel, but the metal G-Shock to look as if it was stainless steel. Anyway, guys, thanks, Chris, again. I'll put a link to Chris's channel in the description, and looking forward to doing some reviews on these two guys. See you guys soon.